Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you guys how to change your Roblox location if you've accidentally, changed it. As you can see, if I go to my settings right over here and then under my account information, which shows my account location, there is no pencil option, and that is because you cannot directly change it. What you can do is head over to help, and from there right over here I need help with my account, and then what you need to do is go to settings. As you can see, we don't find anything that says of our location, so click on see all 17, and then what you can do is right over here at the bottom you see account location. Click on this. Now, as you can see, how do I change my account location? You need to request a support form. So click on this support form, and then your name, you need to put in your parent ID, you need to confirm your parent or guardian's email, and then what type of device are you using your Roblox on. This is very important. Is it a PC, Mac, Chromebook, iPhone, iPad, Android phone, whatever it is. Let's say an Android phone. And then type of category. So you want to click on how to, and then under please select change my location, and then put in, hey, let's say you accidentally changed it. I accidentally changed it. Can you put my location as Mexico, please? Let's say that is your location, and then hit continue. And this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.